So I did a little trade with Mr. IHatchetJack, and this is what he sent me. The first board there in the foreground is Western Red Cedar. These other boards back here are basswood. The spindle here is horseweed, and he put the piece of horseweed into a Chinese privet spindle, hand drill spindle, and I would have to say that this thing works exceedingly well. I've made 5 fires today. The 5th one you'll see in just a moment. All the hand drill method. This piece of wood here on top is cottonwood. This piece of wood, this is a wood shingle. It's incense cedar, and it works well also. Both of these work well. So here we go. Well, I'm going to attempt to make a hand drill coal. There we have it. There we have it right there. Hand drill coal. And I'm in the house. Don't tell anybody. Thanks for watching.